tugambye ye problem y'abaana ab'okunguudo street children. Twagala tutandikirawo nga tubuuza leero in Mbale, where are the children coming from? Ultimately, this is a problem mu ggwanga lyonna. Kuva ne Kampala abaana
ogenda Kampala ne bagamba nti street kids bava mu byalo naye ate tuli Mbale bavaawa.
Right. So we are going to be talking about it. If you are at home nga naawe oyagala kuteesa nja kuba nkuwa omukisa okyogereko nga tukuwa contacts naye tutandikirewo right now. Nyabo, have you been in contact with any of these street children?
Yeah. Well, street children are there and they are a very big concern. And like you know, streets don't give birth.
Of course,
Streets don't give birth.
Yeah.
It's people who give birth to children.
Right. Tubalabye bangi nga bali ku nguudo wano. We were not just now, we've confirmed. Yes. Actually, bintu ki bye bibaleese? What's the problem?
The first thing is someone was saying that they are children who disobey their parents at home. But I don't take that 100%. The issue is, why are they disobeying? We don't have time for these children. And these children eventually decide to go their own way. They decide to think their own way. They decide to listen to what they want, and they decide to, move as they want.
Right.
And at the end of it all, I mean, first of all, it is us parents who move the way we want. The men move the way they want. They go and impregnate a woman, and then at the end of it all, a woman is not able to take care of this child. At the end, the child is vulnerable.
Right.
And then they end up in the streets.
Abaami bafudde tebafaayo kubikwatagana ku byamaka ennaku zino. Kati weesanga maama ng'olina ogenda okunoonya emmere ate olina okulabirira abaana. Kati abaana bano n'osala n'obaleka awaka. Kati bw'obaleka awaka bwe balaba ng'obuyambi tebujja bulungi okukakana bakawa ku street kubanga bagenda okulonda akawunga, bagenda okulonda ekyokulya kyonna. Ensonga ey'okubiri bamulekwa. Omwana mulekwa muzibu nnyo. Kasi afiirwako kitaawe oba nnyina. Kati katugeze afiiriddwako kitaawe. Maama we kitaawe n'awasa mukazi mujja. Mwali mukuliddeko ku mukazi mujja?
Muli abalungi.
Mulimu abalungi naye mulimu ababi. Kale abaana abo beesanga nga bali mu mbeera ezo. Taata bw'ava waka, maama tamuwa mmere, amutuma amazzi ate n'amukuba. Kati omwana n'asalawo okunoonya obuddamu. Nagenda ku street. Ewatali amutawaanyi.
Mbona bagali kwa misironko nga baloma nti kweza kuyoda mirimu kwegamba they have not found any job and they have nowhere to stay. They have tried hard, but nowhere to stay. Others are complaining that wabona babose ayiro mukasi gundi katano mukasi yokangana buli sawa akubiriza ate biri okapa so I was like people are now, street kids are now coming on.
It's like a daily thing now
they are continuously, and you find that now, since somebody does not have anywhere to stay, where else at the street?
Right.
Yeah, that's what I can say.
Right. Yes, sir.
I've been in Mbale for over now 20 years, and I've grown up seeing street children from my childhood. One of we should right now I'm starting to look at where they come from. Mostly they come from Karamoja and Tesoland. And what brings them? Some of them do escape from their home places. They get to come to Mbale looking for ways out how to start on their life.
So for Mbale, it's green pasture for them.
Yes, because there are these small petty jobs that they can do that can earn them something. And the other thing also I see from these street children, they come because of poor moral upbringing. A child is not morally brought well, and due to that kind of thing, you could less time given to a child, that kind of teaching the child needs to be getting each and every time.
We've seen abaana bebakuziza obulungi. Omwana yena agamba me I want to leave home. but the child has everything. The parents talk to the child. Bakola buli kimu kye basobola okulaba nti omwana ali bulungi naye ne bigana
sebo nze nange nkuze nga ndaba abaana naye ekikulu ennyo ng'abazadde ebiseera ebisinga tetuwaayo abaana ki ebiseera mu byalo eyo omuntu oba akeera n'agenda oba okunywa katugambe kubanga mu byalo eyo abantu basiiba nga bakola ki nga banywa kakati yes kakati bw'omuntu bw'asiiba okunywa omwana tamanyi nti oba alidde oba talidde kakati omwana ono atambula n'abaana abali bulungi ate yeewaka tebamuwa bagamba nti genda wa kusomero bwe weejjako obunaanyizibwa ng'omuzadde kiki ekinaabeerawo omwana naye aba ayita kkubo lirye aba tafuna empisa ennungi egikwatagana n'embeera eriwo so nti omwana bw'obanga otuula naye n'obuulira embeera nga bweri oba oli mwavu omwana mutegeeze nti embeera eno eri bweti oleme okugiragiranya n'oli
nga mwana kyoyo gwogamba nti embeera mbi anategera nti
emyaka 5 n'omugamba nti embeera mbi
nedda kwegamba omwana tuyogera omwana ali wansi wa myaka 18 kyetugamba kubanga be bajjudde wano nga muganda wange nga bwagambye okuva ekaramoja be basinga wano era wabalonda ebigundi ebyo
makombo kyeki
kwegamba bino byamaze okuliiramu ne bayiwa
ne basuze.
Yes, sir.
But I think also another point is that people have totally forgotten the cultures. They are now following the Western culture, which says don't beat the child, give the child the freedom, and do all this. So when a child is, when a child comes home and maybe you blame him or her, automatically he says, no, this man is bad, this man, even if your parents say this man is bad, let me go away and maybe I go and do my own things. But for us originally, when we were in African tradition, we used to be very serious on the children. We used to discipline them. And that's why you find that moral status was very good, because children knew that if I do something, my parents would beat me.
Twafunye omukisa ne twogera ne abantu abalwaninga CRO. CRO is Child Restoration Outreach. Chirimbali, balina branches all over the country. They have 4 branches in the whole country. Specifically for Mbale bibino bye twajjeyo. Bwe tukomawo tunone the life of a street child, but also way forward. Tugendezeza tutya abaana bano. Tunuulira TV.
Akusini embeera bulungi ate embeera bulungi ate ndi amakombo nze najazeeka mata wa naleetaka mu tawuni najazeeka ate ndi dogo wa site okujja ku site mwana nali eyo mukaale waffe omuzeeyi wange yakamala okuvaako mwana nga yalazi ndi bubi naye funa kyali wange nangamba jangu tuyingirewa mu tawuni tugenda funa kuki kujani ku sente nemwe kwatako kati olwatuuka muno emirimu ne ginjumula kati funafuna nga bwekitegeera
Christine Kamiti, the National Coordinator of Child Restoration Outreach, is here to share with us about this organization, its vision, and how far they are going in the fight or in the restoration of street children. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. The vision of CRO is to restore children from the streets as God originally intended them to be. I really know that CRO is doing a wonderful work here in Mbale, not only in Mbale but Jinja, Masaka and Lira as well. We have tried to remove children from the streets and reintegrate them back into the families. We are not keeping them here, but we want the children to get back into the families so that we can help them while they're in the families and then also empower them with skills and education so that they can have a good future. We have a number of students now who have graduated. We have social workers, we have a doctor in Mulago now, we have a lawyer, we have engineers, and many more children are in high school and they're going to do better, get into institutions of learning. We don't want people to give money to the street children as they find them on the streets, but let them support street children with education. they can contribute to our work here, because we like to work with all the stakeholders, because this is a national problem, it's not a CRO problem. But we want everybody to join hands with us efforts so that we can help the children to get a better future.
Bulamu bwali butya ku street?
Ali mbeerawo sifuna mmere. Saawa endala tulya makombo.
Makombo ge gaki?
Emmere abantu gye bamaze okuliirako. Tunywa gaamu. Kale nga life eri awo etyo kati lumu tiicha wa CRO yali atambula n'anonda. Ne bandeeta muno ne bantwala mu rehabilitation class ne bansomesa. Kati muno obeeramu mu rehab obeeramu omwaka gumu nembeeramu omwaka ogwo gumu ne bantwala ku ssomero na buyonga nensoma bulungi nenjoininga acrobatic group wano mu CRO ne tufuna omuzungu n'atwala mu masomero ga boarding kati saa zino ndi na mari boarding soma P6
kwanza banzizizaayo ate natandise okusoma kati ndi P4.
Oli mu P4? Oyagala kuba ki ng'okuze?
Ankuze? Lawyer.
Lwaki oyagala bwana oyo?
Nange njagala yamba amaka gaffe.
Okola bulungi mu ssomero? That's good. Oyagala kuba ki ng'okuze?
Engineer.
Lwaki?
Obulungi buleeta nnyo sente.
Oyagala nnyo sente?
Sente zaagalibwa.
Actually, according to the combination I'm taking in high school, I'd really want to become a lawyer, and that's something I'm working towards getting.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, you're very eloquent. You speak very well.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope you succeed.
Thank you.
We'll definitely come back and follow up.
Wow. Thank you.
Good luck.
Dreams like these are those that bring not just joy, but definitely guarantee that if you take care of your child, the sky is not only the limit, but the stepping stone. Reporting for the Minibuzz, this is Brian Chogereko.
I would think that as a team, like for example, as a man and a woman, one, they should be serious with the relationship, especially marriage. Because if you have given birth to the children, if a woman, you should be patient, you should not run away. If a man just sits down, you run away, that's a problem. Because if you look at
for better, for worse.
Because if you look at those
Simba wakati yao. Simba wakati. Let us Simba wakati. You know you are abusing my right as a woman. You are beating me and you tell me that I should just keep quiet.
For better or for worse,
that's fine for worse. Those are some of the challenges that married people always experience. Right. But the challenge we have is most of the women, once there's a problem at home, they have to try and run out. They give up very early and they leave their children where? Wali. So when you bring another woman at home, of course you know what happens. So one thing I think we should know is, as people who are serious, who get married, let's be serious and let's
take up the responsibility
of our children.
Right.
And also the issue of culture. We should bring back our old cultures of those days, whereby bring up children, it is a collective effort for the society, for all the community members. Not specifically for the parents, like for this generation. It's only the parent who's allowed to discipline or take care of their child. And yet, previously it was all the people in the community who were responsible for that child.
Well, njagala tugalewo ku mulamu ogwo kubanga it's so big, but we have very limited time and we have to talk about lots of things. Abantu bangi balina ebintu bingi ebibali ku mutima.